Here we're in a museum here in Colorado, and they've got this awesome RD5, been restored. The RD5 is a fairly uncommon machine, so I wanted to at least video it and do a little walk around of it. It's got a LaPlante choke bull grader on it. You can adjust it to grade or push straight ahead. Hydraulic lift. LaPlante choke, Cedar Rapids, Iowa, USA. Incredible undercarriage on this thing. And it's my understanding these are fairly rare. They only made maybe 1,000 of them, but I could very well be wrong about that. Big 4-cylinder engine, huge Eisman mag. What a monster. Like my hand for comparison. It's a really neat mining museum here in Colorado. A lot of neat stuff. If you ever get the chance through Gunnison, Colorado, come take a look. This is a gas unit. Original toolbox. Original mag switch. Very cool. Hardly any wear on the pedals. Beautifully done. I believe this is the hand crank starter on the back. I think they had to put it on the back because if you put it on the front, the blade would be in the way for starting. Such a cool machine. Thanks for watching.